Today I'm going to discuss a crucial but often overlooked topic that we talk about, and we are talking about AI so much these days, but we are forgetting like the data forms the bedrock of this initiative, and data quality is not only a nice to have but a must have features. We are going to talk more about the challenges and the pitfalls of data quality that we are facing lately and how we can overcome this. So let's start with the foundational question: why should we care about data quality so deeply? It is easy to get caught up in the fancy terms and all the information that's going around, but what are we forgetting? Are we forgetting that data is forming the foundation of all these LLM models, agentic AI, and the convolutional neural networks? Suppose you have this amazing automobile engine, but then you feed contaminated fuel to it. It's going to perform badly. No matter what kind of model you're using, no matter how sophisticated, how complicated it is, if you're feeding bad data to it, poor data yields poor results. It will give inaccurate predictions, it will reduce efficiency, and at the end of the day, it will not only, apart from the performance, it will create unreliable AI. As an industry, our initiative is to create trustworthy and responsible AI. Good data helps identify patterns that are not only that are difficult and that are very difficult to identify, and it helps not only perform for the model to perform better, but also improves efficiency and reduces operational costs, thus giving results that are trustworthy and people can have faith in that kind of AI models. Now think about a medical diagnosis where the data is biased and skewed, and the results are not only and the results are incorrect, and the further consequences of it is devastating, thus creating an environment where people cannot trust AI.